The moment you open your YouTube studio, you see something like this where it says average view duration. Sometimes it is going to show the upwards arrow, sometimes downwards arrow, and sometimes you just see a check mark over there. Now what exactly is this and how exactly it is going to impact your views? I'm going to share the complete details. Welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Now you could see here, so I'm in my channel A2Z Construction. Now this particular video, is around 10 minutes long, okay? And it says average view duration is around 2 minutes 8 seconds. And it is showing a upward arrow. Now first let me help you understand what exactly is average view duration. Now if you see the views, it has got around 1900 views, okay? Now this video is 10 minutes long. And out of all the people who have watched, that's 1900 people who have watched it. Somebody may have watched it for just 1 minute, somebody may have watched it for 5 minutes, and somebody may have watched it for 10 minutes, right? So what YouTube is going to do is, it is going to calculate the complete watch time that has been generated, and it is going to divide by the views, right? Then it is going to say what is the average view duration that we have got in minutes, right? So that's exactly what you are seeing here. That means on an average, people watch this video for 2 minutes 8 seconds. Now you see one more thing here which shows a upward arrow. Okay. Now what exactly is this upward arrow? Now based on the last 10 videos that we uploaded, because whatever you are seeing here is considering the last 10 videos. Now if you see here, so it is saying ranking by views 1 out of 10. That means out of the last 10 videos, this has been ranked as number 1. That means views is higher compared to other videos during 1 day and 20 hours. So usually every time it is going to compare with respect to the number of days and hours here. Okay. So based on that particular time, now what it says is this video is ranking number 1. Okay. Number 1 with respect to views, right? And impression click-through rate, what it is saying is it is typical. Now what exactly is typical? So I'm going to tell you that as well. Now let me tell you how this average view duration is also considered to give either a upward or downward arrow. Now I did mention that it is going to consider the last 10 videos. Now if I just show here, you see all my last 10 videos here, right? Okay. Now say for example, if I go to my last 10 videos, out of all these 10 videos, you could see some video are just 5 minutes, some are 7 minutes, okay? So again, this is around 7 minutes, 4 minutes, okay, 10 minutes. Now considering all the videos and the kind of average views that average view duration that it got, now it is going to say whether your average view duration is higher or lower, okay? So as per all the last 10 videos that was uploaded, YouTube knows that the average view duration was anywhere between 1 minute 44 seconds to 2 minutes 5 seconds, okay? Now that was the average view duration for all the past 10 videos. Now this particular video got average view duration of around 2 minutes 8 seconds. So that's where it is indicating a upward arrow here. Now if it was below 1 minute 44 seconds, it would have indicated a downward arrow. Okay. Now if it was anywhere between 1 minute 44 seconds and 2 minutes 5 seconds, it would have given as just a tick mark indicating as usual average view duration. That's how exactly the average view duration is calculated and indicated whether it's upward or downward, considering the average view duration of all the 10 videos that your channel would have got in the recent times. And when the last video recent video that you uploaded, it starts performing well compared to other videos with respect to views, it is going to rank higher and higher. Okay. So that's what ranking by views indicates. Okay. Again, same as with views as well. If it is indicating upwards, it means it is getting higher views compared to the other videos. Okay. Other last 9 videos that were uploaded. Okay. Again, impression click-through rate. So here you could say that it is saying as typical. That means since this video is reaching to a lot of audience, so YouTube is saying that, okay, because it is reaching to a lot of audience, the click-through rate is as usual, but still it is not affecting the video. So if the click-through rate was higher compared to all other 9 videos, in that case we would have seen an upward mark here. If not, we would have seen a downward mark here. So this is the complete understanding of what exactly you see in the dashboard. So one thing to understand is, if you get higher average view duration on your video and also higher click-through rate, then certainly your video can get a lot of views on YouTube. If you want to understand completely about YouTube analytics, then just click on this info link to watch the complete video on analytics so that you get to understand lot more things in detail so that you can grow your channel as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, take good care. Bye for now.